wabarakatuh. Good morning, great kids. How are you today? Hopefully, you are still healthy and enthusiastic. Oh yeah, does anyone still remember me? Okay, I will reintroduce myself. It feels like something is missing if we have not met yet. Because if you don't know, then you won't laugh. Okay, let me introduce myself. I'm Latina Irmastuti with name 240150167. Since we already know each other, how about we start studying? Are you guys ready? If so, let's start ready. Good. But before we start this lesson, let's pray together. Prayer attitude, hands right, head bowed. Let's start praying. Amin. So, next, did anyone know what we learned about today? Yes, that's right. In this meeting, we will learn about the parts of plants. But to make you more excited, let's sing the song See My Garden together.
This is my garden, my beautiful garden, so full of flowers, the white and the red. Each and every day I water all the plants, jasmine and roses, all so beautiful.
Okay, after singing the song See My Garden, now I want to ask you. In the song, one part of a plant was mentioned. Does anyone still remember what part of the plant was mentioned in the song? That's right, flower. The song also states the flowers come in various colors. What color are rose? Does anyone know? Yes, there are pink, white, red, and other. But the most common color we find is red. Relate to the song See My Garden, which discuss the parts of plant. Today we will learn about the parts of plant topic L, Chapter 1, Natural and Social Science, subject for grade 4. Before going into the material, I would like to ask you to please watch and understand your activity and learning objectives today. First, I will show a learning video. From the video, it is hoped that you will be able to identify the parts of plants correctly. Then secondly, after you have studied the material of parts of plant from the video and from my explanation, you are expected to be able to understand the function of each part of the plant correctly. In addition, you are also expected to be able to associate the function of plant parts with needs of plants to grow, maintain themselves, and reproduce properly. Okay, let's get to the material. Do you know what the parts of a plant are? And do you know what the function of those parts of a plant are? Well, so that you know and understand better, come on, let's find out together by watching the video that I saw.
Hello, and welcome to Tutoring Hour. In this video, we'll learn about the parts of a plant and their functions. One bright sunny morning, little Tori woke up to a noisy dispute. Rubbing her eyes, she peeked out of her cozy nest. She looked around. To her surprise, the noise was coming from the plant right next to the tree.
I'm the most important. I'm the most important. No way. I'm the most important.
What is the matter?
Oh, Tori, we were trying to find out which part of the plant is the most important.
I think it is you, Mr. Root. You are very important.
What? You must be joking, Tori. I'm the most important.
Forget it, Mr. Stam. I'm the most important. You may be, but not as important as I.
Do I even have a say in this, Tori? You like me more, don't ya? Why don't you decide, Tori?
But I don't really know what you do. Why don't you tell me about yourself? I only know that a plant has two parts, the root and the shoot.
You are absolutely right, Tori. The part of the plant that grows below the ground is the root, and the part that grows above the ground is the shoot.
Okay, after we watch the video together, I want to ask about the parts of plant mentioned in the video. Does anyone still remember what parts of plant were mentioned? Yes, that's right. There are roots, stem, leaf, flower, fruit. Then, can anyone name one part of the plant in the video along with its function? Well, that's right. So that you can understand better, I will explain it again, okay? So, the parts of the plant body can be divided into three main functions. In the first is for plant growth. Second, as cell protection or adaptation. However, in this function, not all plants have cell protection tools. In some plants, such as roots that have thorns. Then the third is as a means of reproduction. Well, next there are 5 types of parts of a plant. There are roots, stems, leaves, flowers, and fruit. Okay, first we will discuss about roots. Roots are the part of the plant that is hidden in the soil. Roots have function. The first is to strengthen the standing position of the plant. Then the second is to absorb water and minerals or nutrients from the soil. In addition, roots also function to transport nutrients from the soil to all parts of the plant. Roots also function as a place to store food reserves. Okay, first there are 2 types of roots, namely fibrous roots and tap roots. The second part of the plant body is stem. The stem is the part of the plant that is above the ground and connects the roots and leaf. The stem functions as a place for leaf, flower, and fruit to grow. The stem also functions as a part that carries nutrients from the roots to all parts of the plant and support the plant so that it remains standing. Stems have 3 types, namely woody stem, wet stem, and grass stems. Next are leaves, which are usually green because they contain chlorophyll, which plays an important role in life. Leaves function as a photosynthesis tool, which absorbs solar energy to produce food and food for plants. Leaves also play a role in the exchange of carbon dioxide and oxygen through stomata on their surface, which help plants breathe. The fourth is flower. Flowers are reproductive organs of plants that have attractive shapes and colors. The important role of flower in plants is as a place for pollination, producing plant scents and being reproductive organ of plants. And finally, there is fruit. Fruit is the result of flower pollination. The function of fruit is a food reserve for plants and protects the seeds inside. Well, to make you more excited and not tense, let's play a game. You can match the name of the plant part with the available picture. You can raise your hand if you know the answer. Does anyone know which leaf this picture is from? Wrong. The correct answer is B. Okay, next it's the root. Does anyone know where this picture is? Great. Absolutely correct answer. How do you feel after playing the game? Do you feel happy and excited again? Okay kids, we have learned a lot about plant parts today. Before we finish, let's try to make a conclusion together. Can anyone name the plant parts we've learned about? Correctly! Roots, stem, leaf, flower, and fruits. Plants are one of good creator. So, we have to take care of it and look after the children. Because if the plant dies, we as humans will lose the oxygen produced by the plant. Well, here now how to care of plant. Come on, show your hand. The right way to care for and maintain plants is by watering and fertilizing them so that they can grow well. Right, kids? If you don't water them, the plants will die and will pounding. Since plants are also good creators, is it permissible to make them? Is it permissible to kick them? Then apart them? That's right. You cannot, because plants are created by God that we need to take care of properly. So that was the material from Miss Irma about the parts of plants. For today's assessment, children can see in the description. There is a link to the LKPD that you have to work on. Wow, it turns out we have reached the end of the lesson. I hope your enthusiasm remains like this. But don't forget, at home you also have to keep studying. Take the time to read books and study the material before we continue the next lesson. This will help you understand the lesson better. Okay, before we finish, let's pray first that what we learned today can be useful for us and others. Pray start. Amin. Thank you for your enthusiasm. See you at the next meeting. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.